Hello, 2023 Toyota RAV4. How to set up the clock or change the time. So you see here it's 12:16, 12:16, and now it should be 11:16 on the Eastern time. So all you have to do is if is your phone connected to the Apple CarPlay, so just before you do this procedure, just turn off the Bluetooth on your phone and start up the car, and get to this screen and go to settings. You go to general, you go to date and time. You check your time zone. So I'm in the Eastern, and you see the time still the same. So if you turn off daylight savings, it will be changed now to the right time, the correct time in your area. And you can leave this one on, set time automatically for the future. And now it has been changed here too. So that's it. Thank you.